Hello everybody, a very warm welcome to my channel. Nidhi is here. Nidhi, hi Bolo. Hi. So today's video is about IKEA, or it's also called as IKEA here, है ना? Yeah. So we are going to IKEA. Let's explore IKEA together. As most of you know, IKEA is a Swedish multinational conglomerate based in Netherlands. So they design and then they manufacture ready to assemble home furnitures, office furnitures. You'll find all decor items for your home and then beautiful other products that you can use for your interiors. Section, if you can see, it's the area where you'll find a lot of beautiful chairs. Behind me, so you can design your own kitchen based on the ideas or arrangements shown here. A studio apartment, you can design your bedroom in this way, so very beautifully arranged. It's compact and cute. Yeah, very nice. It's beautiful kitchen section, and most of the products are good and affordable. You have a lot of varieties around this store. £1 for these serving bowls. Wow. Now we are in the lighting section. You can see beautiful and colorful lamps all around. Alarm clock for £5. flower section and you can look at beautiful collections of flowers. So I'm done with my shopping. The products that I purchased were reasonable and very cute. I really loved them. If you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. See you all again with another exciting video. Until then, you all take care. Bye bye.